Avoid sugary drinks. A guide to healthier choices. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important health advice: avoid sugary drinks. This phrase is not only common in health-related discussions but also a great example of how English is used in everyday advice. Let's dive into what this phrase means and why it's important for your health and English learning journey. Avoid sugary drinks is a straightforward yet impactful piece of advice. To avoid means to keep away from or to not use something. Sugary drinks refer to beverages that contain a high amount of sugar. These include sodas, fruit juices that aren't 100% fruit, sports drinks, and more. The phrase is a caution against the consumption of these drinks because of their health implications. Consuming sugary drinks can lead to various health problems. First, they are high in calories but don't make you feel full, leading to weight gain. Second, the sugar in these drinks can cause tooth decay and cavities. Lastly, long-term consumption can lead to more serious conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Understanding these reasons can motivate us to make healthier choices. So, what can we drink instead? Here are some healthier alternatives. Water is the best option for staying hydrated without any added sugars. Sparkling water can be a fizzy alternative without the sugar content. Unsweetened tea offers various flavors without the added calories. 100% fruit juices in moderation can be a good source of vitamins, but be cautious of the sugar content. Here are some practical tips to help you avoid sugary drinks. Read labels carefully to understand the sugar content in beverages. Carry a water bottle with you to ensure you always have a healthier option at hand. Limit the availability of sugary drinks in your home. Experiment with adding natural flavors to water, like lemon or mint, for a refreshing taste. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, avoid sugary drinks, and motivates you to make healthier beverage choices. Remember, making small changes in your diet can lead to significant health benefits over time. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language learning content. Stay healthy and keep learning.